Cindy Hodner with Design Today. Today we are in the Phillips Collection showroom and we are going to take a look around, talk with Jason Phillips about some of the design inspiration for the company, and hear a little bit about furniture designers in the industry as well. Jason, tell us what's been the big thing in the showroom this market.
Absolutely, yes. Our number one seller this market is our cracked eggs, which are right behind me here. They're from celebrity designer Dan Foley, part of the Dan Foley licensing collection. And we couldn't be more excited. So we have the wall pieces, which are inspired by the cracked egg form. So you would buy a set of 4, each piece progressively becoming a larger crack. Very easy to mount, very retail friendly. They're fun, they're playful, a little whimsical, and perfectly in line with our company DNA.
Wonderful. Now, have they appealed specifically to designers, larger retailers, across the board? I mean, is this just like the go-to accent for this market?
Sure. I mean, this is eye candy for our design customers, which is a big and important and growing part of our business. Retailers, of course, love it as well. It's great for impact and visual merchandising, but our designer base is really grabbed onto it, and yeah, we love them for it.
Fantastic. Well, we are going to take a quick look around the showroom at some of the other things you've introduced to this market.
Great. We'd love to. Thank you.